The WEP 982 II Soldering Kit is designed for precision, featuring a C245 compatible cartridge-type soldering tip that allows for clear visibility when working under a microscope. This soldering station is perfect for handling small microcomponents and smaller circuit boards, making it ideal for tasks involving smartphones, laptops, and other delicate electronics. With a rapid heat-up time of just 3 seconds to reach 572 degrees Fahrenheit, the WEP 982 ensures swift and efficient soldering operations. The station offers adjustable temperature settings ranging from 194 to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, with 4 memory channels for quick access. An LCD screen provides clear monitoring of set and actual temperatures, as well as real-time power usage, enhancing the user experience. Backed by a 1-year USA technical support, the WEP 982 soldering kit is a reliable choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike.